Restore a network connection for the HP Envy Photo 7200 and 7900 all-in-one printer series. If your computer is unable to detect your HP Envy Photo printer over a network connection or a printer offline or unavailable message displays when you're trying to print, follow these steps to fix the issue. Before following the steps in this video, complete this checklist to rule out any potential issues that could cause a print error. Make sure that the printer is within 8 meters or 26 feet of your Wi-Fi router or range extender. Confirm that the printer and your computer or mobile device are on the same network. You can do this by checking the network name on your device and on the printer control panel. Confirm that the printer power cable is plugged directly into a wall outlet. If the printer is connected with a USB cord, confirm that the cable is connected directly to your computer and not a hub or docking station. Also make sure that the USB cable is not longer than 3 meters or 9 feet, 10 inches. Confirm that your computer or mobile device has had the latest software update and that the printer has had the latest firmware update. After completing each step, try to print from the printer again. If you encounter the same issue, proceed to the next step. Step 1. Restart your devices. Restarting your computer and printer can clear any error states that are preventing you from printing. Close all apps and programs and restart your PC. Turn off your printer and unplug the power cord from the printer and the power source. Wait 60 seconds. Reconnect the power cord to the power source. HP recommends plugging directly into a wall outlet. Reconnect the other end of the cord to the printer. Press the power button to turn the printer back on. On your computer, try to print the file again. Step 2. Reset the printer network settings and reconnect your printer to the network. For wireless printing, removing and re-adding the printer to your Wi-Fi network can fix network-related printing issues. If you previously connected to your printer using a USB cable, disconnect the cable before proceeding. From the printer control panel, touch or swipe down the tab at the top of the screen to open the dashboard and then touch Setup. Touch Network Setup. Touch Restore Network Settings. A message appears stating that the network defaults will be restored. Touch Yes. To reconnect to the network, touch or swipe down the tab at the top of the screen to open the dashboard. Then touch Setup. Touch Network Setup. Touch Wireless Settings. Touch Wireless Setup Wizard. Follow the prompts to select the Wi-Fi network and enter the password to complete the network setup. Step 3. Remove and re-add the printer in the HP app. Removing and re-adding the printer in the HP app can resolve connection-related error states. If you do not have the HP app, you can download it for free from your App Store. On the HP app home screen, select your printer, scroll to the bottom of the page, and then select Remove Device. Select Remove Device from App again to confirm. Now that the printer has been removed, select the plus icon, then select Set up a new printer to begin re-adding the printer. The HP app searches for available printers. When you see your printer, select it and then select Setup. When prompted, select Continue to connect the printer to your wireless network. Once the printer is connected to Wi-Fi, select Continue. Depending on your specific printer model, the next screens may vary. Follow the remaining prompts to reconnect your printer. When the process is complete, you are then brought back to the HP app home screen. Step 4. Run Diagnose and Fix from the HP app. This step only applies to desktop computers. You can troubleshoot many printer issues with the built-in Diagnose and Fix tool in HP app. From the home screen, select your printer. Scroll to Diagnostics, then click Diagnose and Fix. Once the tool opens, select Start. Wait for Diagnose and Fix to complete. This might take a few minutes. Do not close the HP app while the tool is running. If any issues are found, Diagnose and Fix provides you with instructions on how to resolve the issue.